Hello, intuitive viewers. How are you? I hope you're doing well. I wanted to do this video real quick because I need your help in something. I want to ask your opinion about something. Um, so I don't know if you guys have seen this image. I'm going to try to share the screen to show you this image. Um, it is from Iran. It is a mural that they have on side of a building. And I saw this image and I shared it on the channel. Um, and I'll remind you what I said at the time, which was that it was as if I could had like X-ray vision and could see into a mountain. And he was laying in his coffin just like this. And I could see just exactly like that much of him to know it was him. His hair was combed and he had just a white shirt on, but I knew it was him and I could see that much of him, almost exactly like that. And that and that it looked like he was like in the middle of a mountain, but you can see how the curve of the building, how that curves like this, how it would look when you're just seeing it from this angle, how it would look like a mountain, right? And of course, minus the graffiti and the cars and stuff, but that's what I saw. And so it reminded me of, um, and I kind of like, I don't know what it means, but at the time, without context of anything, right? I didn't know why I was seeing it. And this is the issue with it. This is how it is. You get psychic visions and things like that. Out of context, I thought why I was seeing it, and I said at the time that I thought by the time he passes, he'll be so hated that they're going to have to bury him somewhere where nobody knows where he is. That's what I thought it was saying. But now it reminded me so much of Alexei Navalny when Putin, when the whole thing with Alexei Navalny happened and he passed. And this is all for entertainment purposes, by the way, but when that happened, I felt the time, whatever you want to call it, the timeline shift. I felt the fact that we were going to have a whole new set of possibilities in front of us, that he had shifted something. And before Navalny passed, I kept seeing a vision of him standing on a car and people were like around and he was standing on this car and it was like he was giving a speech. But what it actually was, and again, like out of context, I thought, well, he's going to get out of prison and he's going to give this speech and it could be a rallying cry of some kind. But what it turned out to be was on the night that it was either the night he passed or like the night after, they were doing kind of makeshift memorials around Russia. And I don't know if you remember this, I talked about it, but they had put a movie of him on a building and it looked like he was standing on a car and he was like it was like him giving a speech on the side of a building and it looked like he was standing on a car because of the way it was positioned on the building. And I was like, oh, that's what I was seeing. But the thing was that I knew that what had happened to Navalny and Putin doing that, it shifted something. It shifted us into a different territory. And I didn't know what that meant, but the only thing I knew for sure was he just made it so much worse for himself and so much worse for Russia. And I kind of am getting the same feeling around this and Iran and going into Iran. It's almost as if by doing what he did, he has sealed his fate. That's the feeling. Now, when I talked to Cassie about it, she said, could this be a marker of like something's about to go down? Something is about to happen. This is kind of a physical marker that is like like a trigger, like a marker, like this, this is this when you see this something's about to happen, right? And if you haven't watched my orb video that I put up, you can watch that as well because it's kind of that same thing, a very different energy, right? Because that energy was very excited, and I felt to get on my camera and do orbs that night because I don't do them all the time because I don't work in doing orb mediumship. So I don't do it every night like I used to. But every so often I'll get that feeling of like I need to do this. And last night was one of those feelings. Um, but I would love to get your take on it. I would love to get your feelings when you look at the image and if other things come to you. But when I saw that image, I gasped because it's exactly what I saw. But it's almost like, but why did I see it? And it's happening, but why did I see it? What is it? And of course, I'm talking to my guys and I'm trying to get more information, but but I wonder what you guys say. I wonder what you guys think. And I kind of feel like it's what I said. I mean, that's what I think. Is it kind of like it's a timeline shift? It could be a marker for something that's about to happen, but that it's sort of like and I hate to say the timeline, it sounds too like science fiction-y, but it is like a whole new set of possibilities have opened up. That's what it feels like. And that he's sort of sealed his fate with that action. He's done, right? There's something about this that he is, and maybe it is that he's made it a lot worse for the US and he's made it a lot worse for himself, that kind of thing. But I would love to get your take on it. I would love to just get your, ideas about it. The other thing is that my sister put up a video where she kind of talks about Lindsey Graham and the New Earth, and it's fascinating because we hadn't talked we hadn't seen or heard each other's videos, and we mentioned some of the same things in our videos. And I always think it's so um, comforting, but also so validating when readers are saying the same things because we're getting the same information. It's like we're all getting the same information, and so it's being handed down. And this is how it works. It's kind of like here you go, and whoever picks it up. And so anyway, but this is just a really quick video just to ask that question and see if you have anything to add or what you think. Okay, so take care, and I will see you guys soon. And hopefully, when I get, we'll have longer videos when I get home and I have my Wi-Fi back. But for now, this is it. So I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.